Still spending hours searching for stock market data across different websites and spreadsheets? What if you could pull real-time financial data directly into Excel or Google Sheets in seconds? Meet WiseSheets, a powerful tool designed for investors, traders, financial analysts, and anyone who wants instant access to stock market data without the manual work. With WiseSheets, you can import financial statements, earnings data, stock fundamentals, valuation metrics, dividends, and historical market information directly into your spreadsheets with simple formulas. Instead of jumping between multiple websites and copying data manually, WiseSheets helps you analyze stocks faster, build investment models, and make more informed decisions using accurate financial data. Whether you're a beginner investor or an experienced analyst, WiseSheets can save you countless hours of research and spreadsheet work. And here's the best part. Right now, you can get an exclusive 85% off site-wide discount using my special link in the description. If you're serious about stock analysis, investing, and financial research, this is a deal you definitely don't want to miss. Click the first link in the description, claim your WiseSheets discount, and start analyzing stocks smarter today. But hurry, this exclusive site-wide offer may not be available for long.